What's up, guys? Hope everybody's having a good day. What is going on? Happy Thursday. It is the last streaming day of the week. Last stream of the week for us. Last stream for about 2 weeks, actually, because I will be going on vacation. But nonetheless, we got some work to do. We got some charts to go over. Definitely going to take a look at some of the pairs that already have a lot of volume. There's a ton of volume. Yeah, yesterday's stream was good, guys. So let's go over some charts here. There is a ton of volume on some of these charts already. We just got a buy signal on USD JPY. Wonder why that is. Yeah, no. This thing still has done nothing all week. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. Yes, sir. Yeah, Yinga. I definitely can interact with people. That is quite literally what I'm here for, man. Well, let's see what we got here. Oh, let me get to all right, let's start from the top, guys. For Euro CHF, we had a break of structure. Our break of structure, we're going to draw out where the new new support is that was a resistance, kind of. I say kind of because it's still a really gray area, and I don't like that. It did break above a key level. I will give it that. So the key level that we had right here was this 9-1 area, 917 area, 91800 area. So we did break above that level right there. However, we did come right back down to retest the EMA ribbon right here. We're stuck between a fair value gap and a fair value gap. So not really 100% sure what to do with this chart. I don't necessarily love it. However, if I was looking to take anything, it would be buys toward the upside. It's a bullish chart. It's on an uptrend. Yinga, if you are looking to learn, I suggest you watch my How to Day Trade video series and look at my 30-day series on YouTube of how to day trade. It's a really good way to learn. All right, so Euro CHF, we're probably ruling out for the night, and this is the 4-hour time frame that we're analyzing on right now. We always do. We typically drop to the 1 to analyze, but the 4 and the 1 are conflicting right now. So, but it is a bullish chart. USD CHF, same thing. Not really a fan of this chart on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Let me look at the day. And the day's bearish. Again, you're kind of trading in between zones here. So you have your resistance, you have your support. Oh, so there's a dead zone. And here is where I would not want to trade. In the middle. It is a bit of a reversal at the top right here. But again, we would need to see something on the smaller time frames to give us an indication that this is going to indeed come to this downside down here. All right, so GBP USD. The day chart is bearish. The 4 hour is consolidating. And the 1 hour is just a brutal consolidation, guys. You can't trade this. This is textbook consolidation. The highs and the lows are really close together, and all of this is just consolidation. We don't trade that. I don't trade that, at least. Gold is gold. We don't touch gold. GBP CHF. Again, they're in between some major zones here, guys. No real indication if we're going to push up from this fair value gap or reject from this fair value gap and come back down. There is not enough information on this chart either for us to make an informed decision or any kind of, really anything whatsoever. I'm from New York originally, but I live in Florida right now. I plan to live in Florida for probably the rest of my life. It's the best state in the world, in the country and the world. GJ's on an uptrend, guys, but again, still within our consolidation zones. We are at a peak right now. We're at a very high point on the chart. So we could be nearing this resistance zone and seeing a fall down. However, the chart has been on a consistent uptrend for what looks like 20 days. CHFJPY on the 4-hour time frame looks like a head and shoulders. This would be your bottom collar. We'd be eyeing this target right there. That would be roughly 130 pips. That could take some time. And on the 1 hour, it's the only one that I've seen that's actually worth tagging. NZD USD. All right, so on the 4-hour chart here, looks like we had a really nice break of structure. We had it come up to retest this fair value gap as well as this EMA ribbon. And it looks like it was moving down here, and it's trying to. It looks like it's going to probably get rejected and come down. I like NZD USD for sells, which means the dollar must be getting stronger, guys. The dollar must be getting stronger. Euro NZD I'm not touching. Consolidation again. Euro AUD was a good trade also. Sorry guys, this cold is kicking my butt. Euro AUD I do like for a buy again. The day scares me. Not really a fan of the day chart, but luckily we're not trading on that. The problem with the hour and the problem I have with this chart is two things, guys. One is the volume. Nightbot, you're going to sleep. The problem with this chart is two things. One, there's no volume. And two, on the hour time frame, you do have higher lows. You have Canadian employment change, Canadian unemployment rate, US dollar average hourly earnings month over month, NFP, non-farm employment, and unemployment rate. You do not want to be on the charts tomorrow. It will destroy your account. You don't. I'll be real with you. I think we take sells on AUD USD, to be honest. It's the only thing I like. There's just no volume on it. What country are you in, Yinga? Where are you from? Where are you living? Oh, man. What country are you in? You could also use Nigeria. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my website does work in Nigeria. There's a couple countries that it doesn't work in, but it's okay. All these pairs with volume are doing nothing. Crypto is continuing to just drop off the face of the earth. All crypto. Bitcoin too. Bitcoin seeing 60K. Oof. Alright. Let me send this out to everyone. There you go. Let's get it, guys. If you're not in the Discord, guys, you might as well get in. It's free. Alright, it's out, boys. We're in it. Alright, now let's go to the fun part where we watch it on the 1 minute. It's not even moving. Smithers, what's going on, man? We're in it. You're so flattering, Ryan. Oh, shit, I'm out of water. Alright. Now we wait, guys. You wanted a trade. We gave it to you. And now we wait. Everything's in slow motion tonight, guys. Really slow motion. Yep. AUD USD, guys. You know it's slow when the 1 minute's slow. Nice. Where was my entry? We took, this week we took 7 longs on the account analyzer here. 7 longs and 4 shorts for a 90% win rate for 26,000 in profit. Not a bad week so far, guys. Not a bad week at all. Hey, you want me to look at gold for you? Sure. So, XAU USD. Let's take a look at gold here, my man. Alright, so we're going to start on the 4-hour here. Oh, it's bearish, I can already tell you. It's bearish. It's going to sell down to at least 4420. 4423. It's bearish. So you have lower highs, right? Each high is lower. Your lows are lower. So that confirms your downtrend, right? You have a red fair value gap right here that was formed. That was rejected right here. So it's just moving downward. I would say this is a sell all day. You can enter gold whenever you want. I personally don't trade gold, but I can give you my analysis of it. You can enter gold whenever you want. I just personally don't trade gold, so that's why I'm not in it. So that is my reasoning. But we're in AUD USD sells, and that is what I do like. Perfect break and retest, guys. So we know it's a downtrend, obviously. Lower highs, lower lows. This is a downtrend, right? That's rule number 1. 2, we have a rejection at a key level, which also is at an EMA ribbon and at a fair value gap. So you've got 2 more confirmations there. And you have levels that it's been at previously within the past week to 2 weeks that it can certainly reach. So this is what we're looking at. I love the 2 bearish candles here, informing us that the bears are winning, the sellers are winning this trade here. But in terms of the technical break and retest on the break of structure right here in the middle, that's our bread and butter right there, guys. That's how we trade. But we're in this trade, so oh boy, that's what I'm liking. But the trading week's been good, guys. It really has. A little over 26K profit this week. Can't really be mad about that. Just trading the same system. IG Capital. A fixed range volume profile would add confluence. We got 3.16K in the volume. Not too much volume in this pair right now. What lot size am I using? I'm in for 100 lots right now. I'm in for 100 lots. 250 lot positions right there. So, or you could just look at the session highs and lows. That's the same thing. It broke down through AM kill zone, Asian kill zone, New York kill zone, and then Asian range low is down here at our TP1. Like, we're solid. I don't really need to use the your fixed range volume profile and all that. I just use really strictly EMA ribbons, fair value gaps, and just standard old price action, market structure. Drawing your support and resistance zones, and that's really all you need. But there's a lot of different ways to make money, guys. I just prefer my method. I've been trading for 16 years. I don't know how long you have been, but I've been trading for 16 years, and this is the way I really like. It's worked for me. It's kept me profitable for the past 7-8 years. I don't know. I don't really like it as much without the live P&L. What do you guys think? My social media advisor informed me that the live P&L, like, most traders don't do it. I think it shows transparency, to be honest with you. That's what I like about it, is that it shows transparency. Pips would be nice. All right, maybe I'll do that instead. How many pips in profit? We are 2.4 pips in profit. So for me, that is $1,500, $1,500. My camera shakes a lot. Well, probably because I keep fucking moving. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to curse. Keep moving. This camera? Oh wait, does it really? Even if I put it on a tripod, it's going to be on a tripod on my desk. It's just because I keep doing this with my arms. I didn't mean to do that. Maybe I'll get one. No, it's more than that. It's like closer to why we have that all the way out there. It's 1 to 1.5. It's more than 1 to 1. My Golden Knights play tonight, guys. Las Vegas Golden Knights ready to win game 2 tonight. Oh, how many pairs do I trade? Really anything with volume and anything that looks good. But basically the main ones, like AUD-JPY, GJ, CHF-JPY, USD, GBP-USD, CHF, just like the main ones. I don't really trade any, like, too many minors. We traded, here, I'll give you an example. Actually, I'll just show you. So this week, or I can actually show you, here we go. Let's look at the weekly reports here. So on my weekly reports here, let's go back. We'll go back starting at what, you want to go to the beginning of the year? No, it's too far back. We'll just go the past month. So GJ, Euro CHF, NZD JPY. This week, week prior, did 112 pips. It was a really good week. GJ, GBP, AUD, JPY. Yeah, I mostly trade, like almost 100% trade the Asian session. I'll throw a couple New York session trades out there, but there's too much red folder news during the New York session that's unpredictable. Like, I like trading the same predictable setup over and over again. And I know that's boring for a lot of people, but that is how you make money in these markets. Like, you are not going to make money from jumping in and out of news trades. I'm sorry, it's just not going to happen. It's very hard to do that. I know people that do it, but, like, I'll give you an example. So, yesterday, you had ADP non-farm employment change. It was not good for the United States. It came out negative. The forecast was 118K. It came out... Actually, I'm sorry about that. It was good for the US dollar, right? let's go to like USD JPY here. That news came out at 8:15 a.m. Here was that 8:15 candle. That doesn't make any sense that you wick down and up for a total of 24 pips on a news candle that was good. If it comes out good for a currency, the currency should go up. And then, not to mention, less than a day later, after good news, good red folder news, you had this candle that probably wiped out everyone's stop loss that was right there. So from top to bottom, 38.3 pips. That's not what you want to see. I'd rather trade the boring Asian session, slow movement, predictable break and retest, predictable break of structures, sometimes hold it into the London session or maybe even into the New York session the next day, and then get out. I'm not a big believer on liquidity grabs. Man, honestly, I'm not. I don't think, and I did a video about this actually, I don't think that, let's talk about like BlackRock and Vanguard and these huge hedge funds, right? Do you think that they're out for trading with Matt's stop loss? No, they're not out for me. Even if I'm trading with a 50, 60, 70, $100,000 account, they're not hunting my stop loss and retail traders, guys. They're not. Just think about how wild that sounds. Large institutions with more money than you can imagine, trillions, really, honestly, billions and trillions of dollars, are hunting my $100,000 account. Come on, guys. We're in profit, too. See if it lets you open an account. Just click the link. Click hankoforex.com/MattFX, the one that I put in there. But I have a team of like 4 guys that work there. Nice. Yeah, you're with Hanko, too? Because this is my last stream for a week. I don't think my next stream will be until next Thursday because I will be on vacation. The next SL or the next take profit? You can move it down to 71500, 0.71500 if you want to be a little more safe, a little more on the conservative side. Let's see where we're at here, baby. Nice. We're holding some good profit here, team. Next Thursday, though, I'll still have videos going out every day because I haven't finished my 30-day series yet. I think we're on day... Oh, I actually need to post day 21. Once I get day 21, I'll post that today. But I'll have videos posted while I'm gone each day. Dude, I take 1 vacation a year. I work a lot, man. I work a lot. I take like 1 a year. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'm not leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Actually, Thursday, I'll technically be back. I'm just going to be exhausted. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days. I don't trade Fridays. So Fridays doesn't count. Tomorrow, we wouldn't have traded anyway. Oh, yeah. Actually, Ryan paid for it with all his profits. I don't know if he's still in here. Ryan's my partner. It's a golf trip. It's a guy's golf trip. There's 8 of us. Smith is taking me on this golf trip, right, Ryan? He's my sponsor. We made that boy some money. I think that boy's sleeping already. What did gold do? Yeah, gold dropped. I told you it was going down, man. You asked. Look at it. It's because the dollar's going up. So, like, let's break it down, right? USD is the primary pair. AUD is going down, right? So the dollar's going up. When the dollar's going up, gold goes down. They have a direct inverse correlation. So if the dollar's going... GJ, you love your GJ, Adele. I wouldn't touch it. It's in between the ribbon. It could double top and come down here, or it could keep going on this trend. I wouldn't touch it. I didn't buy the shirts. Ryan bought the shirts. Ryan's buying the shirts with his... Ryan, they were saying it was a long vacation. I was like, oh man, you got no idea. It's our only vacation the whole year. I'll get the logos on them. I'm going to get some trading with Matt golf polos made up. For sure. Let's go TP1. Come on. How close were we? Oh my goodness. We were half a pip away. Half of a pip. And we know we're going to get some... Oh, sorry, guys. We know we're going to get some rejection in this area because we've had it before where it rejected that area, but we're in a downtrend. This break and retest right here is perfect to come down to the next level. Level 1, level 2, level 3. I like it. Oh, man. I got a cup made, and I had sweatshirts made at one time, but I got to get some... I had sweatshirts with a QR code on the back for the website. Those were cool. You know what? Maybe I'll sell them on my YouTube channel. We'll get there soon, guys. Let's see this thing move. What is it doing on the 1 minute here? Oops, sorry. Oh, it's gonna reject that. Let's reject that real quick and just come straight down. Yep, that's what we want to see, straight down. What are we holding right now, profit-wise? 9 pips in profit for 7K, 6.5K. There it is. There it is, guys. Talk about a sniper entry. Nice, there you go. Good, I'm glad you made profit on that. Let's go, big red candle. That was the least amount of drawdown we've ever sat in. We only sat in 1 pip of drawdown. I don't know. Trustpilot is just a badge. That's all BS. Just like the Better Business Bureau, BBB. All those things, they're all just BS companies that I don't believe in those. St. Kitts. Come on, baby. Just let's get it. The Australian dollar. Just depositing crypto, Brian. There should be no issues. I know you're not asking me for money on live stream. Come on, don't do that. Don't be that guy. How many pips are we away from TP1? We are close. 10 pips in profit. Our TP1 is like 12.5. We're close. I'm about to get a new 15-minute candle too. I think we go TP1 before this hour's up, personally. It's very hesitant to break that EMA ribbon. We don't want to break this high right here. 71261. Big red candle. What's the score in the Golden Knights game? Anybody know? Appreciate it, Tappets. They're up. Nice. Let's go. I don't know if you guys saw that goal, that 5th goal that they to have them win the game 1 of the Stanley Cup. Oh my goodness. It was the filthiest goal I've ever seen. Behind the back pass, top shelf. Just beautiful. All right, the 5's getting small. Oh, I thought you meant they're up like they're winning. Got me all excited, Adele. I read that wrong. They did win the last game. This is my strategy, man. It's a combination of a couple things, but essentially just price action trading with confirmations of an EMA ribbon and a fair value gap above or below the EMA ribbon. Like this trade right here was a break and retest. So you had a downtrend confirmed by lower highs and lower lows. After the downtrend, we had a break of structure right here. That was your break of structure where it broke through the previous support. And this became the new resistance when it breaks and retests. And then we took the downturn right here when it rejected the EMA ribbon and created this fair value gap. That is the entirety of my... oh, sorry, guys. You couldn't see all that. That is the entirety of my system right there. Explained in like 30 seconds. This is 1 to 1.5, I believe. We could actually move the stop loss now that we're this far into profit. I typically don't until I hit TP1, but this is a 1 to 1.5. So, what do you mean enter at the same POI? Like, the same point of interest, meaning the break and retest and then candle closure below the EMA ribbon with a fair value gap formed? Yes. That is the only way we enter every single time. How low will Bitcoin go? That's a great question. Based on the chart, yes, we enter on this. Boy, man, the next zone is 56K. If it goes to 56K, I might actually buy a bunch. 56K is low, man. If it goes below 50K, Bitcoin is in some serious trouble. Below 50K, your next 30 to 38K is, I mean, there's really no telling, but I've had these lines drawn out on this chart for a long, long time. What a retracement coming into this last, I don't know, man. Little stitched custom, nothing crazy. There we go. Boy, this thing used to be smaller on me. Gotta lose some LBs. Oh, shit. Wow, that hurt. Shoot. Let's go, Golden Knights. Let's go. Up 13 on this one. There you go. Slow and steady, baby. Wins the race. Boy, this thing is stiff. Forgot how big this thing was. Got the Knights on the Knight logo, too, on the shoulders, man. All right. Let's see this bad boy go. That's what we want to see, guys. We're right there. Come on, break the lows. We broke and retested. We retested the EMA. We created a fair value gap. We had full candle closure below the EMA again after the retest and the retracement. How much profit are we in? Last 10 minutes of this candle, of this 4-hour candle. Willie Wilson FX, what's up, man? How are you? Let's go, baby. Does anybody know what the score is? I really should look it up. It's 1-0. Let's go. It's 1-0 Vegas. I think we got it on this minute candle. Come on, baby. Oh, it wants to so bad. It wants to so bad. We're at $8,000 in profit. 3,600, 3,700 on each trade right now. Let's go. I think I'm bringing the live P&L back. We'll see. Because having to hold my phone up and cover my account ID like that every time is annoying. 3 minutes of consolidation down there. Come on. We got 7 minutes left in this candle. 6 minutes, actually. Boy, those minute candles are not doing much. They're staying at that low. This area right here was going to be tough to break. We knew it. Nice. A little retest there, too. That's a new 5-minute candle. Let's go. Big red. Big red TP1. Come on. It's got to go, right, guys? It's just a 1 minute. Look at this overall trend. There's no W in sight. Oops. It's easy to get lost in the smaller time frames and make you second guess what your overall trend was. But anytime I feel that happening, I'm like, okay, let me go back to where I took this trade. Okay, this is where we took this trade. It was on the 1 hour right here. And we know why we took it. This is going to continue to fall. And it may come back to break even. It may come back to up here, but it's going to continue to fall over the next, through the London session. Boy, is it hot in here when I put this on. Holy crap. And I'm out of water. All right, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes of this candle. Give us some movement. Oh no, Braden McNabb just left the ice after taking a slap shot to the face. I have it. This one? The 1 second looks crazy. Even the 30-second does too. So we're now on a 30-second time frame. Well, the red's up here, the green's down there. We're in a short, man. Sultan. The 30-second time frame. Have fun with that. 1 minute left. Come on, 1 minute. 11.5 pips in profit. All right, here's our new hour and our new 4 hour. You're going to get some retracement up this candlestick, just as a heads up. You always get a wick. Actually, we didn't on this previous one. Let's go. Done. TP1. Let's go. Let me take it on the 15. Let's go. Nice, guys. Let's go. And on that, I am going to close out one of my trades. Just took 4,800 to the bank. Got another 4,500 in profit, guys. That's how we do it. How many pips is that right now? 13 pips. 13, 14. There it goes, guys. Move your stop losses to break even. It's a risk-free trade for the rest of the night, guys. Heck yeah, man. Sending it. Oh, edit it. Edit message. That is. Forward it to free signals at community. I closed, hold on. Reply. Nice, guys. All right, guys. That's it for me. I'm going to end this stream how we always do with some claps. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate it. Absolutely fantastic trade today. Great trade. Good patience. Good setup. We crushed it this week, guys. We really did. Make sure you guys get in the Discord. This is my last stream for the week, for a whole week. So get in the Discord if you want my signals while I'm on vacation, guys. Take care and go Knights. Woo! Look at that shit. Let's go.